And now let's look at Samba gold level choreography with teaching count. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1 a 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 a 8, 1 a 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 a 4, 5 a 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And now let's look at same Samba choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with whisk to left, and then lady spot turn to right. We continue with rolling of the arm, which we finish in close position, and dance reverse turn, first 3 steps and then drag. Then outside into promenade to counter promenade runs, 2 bars. We continue with whisk to right and whisk to left. Then close rock on right foot. We continue open rocks to left and to right. Continued by a reverse turn. Then we dance Samba side chasses and Carioca runs, 2 bars, and we finish with a rhythm bounce. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. So we take close hold and start with whisk to left. Then ladies Volta spot turn to right. Now we're facing line of dance and dancing rolling off the arm. We continue with reverse turn and drag, moving down line of dance. Then promenade to counter promenade runs. We dance 2 bars and continue with whisk to right, then whisk to left. Then again we move down line of dance with close rocks and open rock to left and right. We continue with reverse turn. We move down line of dance and in same direction we move with Samba side chasses. Then we release hold and dance Carioca runs. And we finish with a rhythm bounce. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.